It feels dreadful when you can't fulfill your accomplice explicitly. Each one of those happy years consumed with the time on Earth accomplice out of nowhere appears to be idealistic. The simple idea of sexual detachment from your accomplice produces a spout of negative feelings in your body. Each wonderful thing in life unexpectedly turns terrible. The sexual dream I lived with my accomplice could never go back again, you thought with a specific demeanor of sorrow. These are the specific sentiments experienced on the off chance that one is experiencing sexual brokenness. Sexual brokenness in ladies and erectile brokenness, ED, in men are getting regular in this relentless moment world. The hormonal, mental or other clinical causes are to be accused of such sexual misfortune. It was a major issue for men till 1998 because the medicines common till then were either careful or excessively excruciating. Viagra, sildenafil citrate, protected by Pfizer Inc. in 1996 came as a much-needed refresher for ED patients. The feebleness was not dreaded anymore. The blue otherworldly pill welcomed help on the essences of millions of inept men and their accomplices around the world. Everybody lapped up Viagra when it was released on the lookout. All things considered, it was promising something back, which is a characteristic inclination of each man. Viagra works normally by expanding the blood flexibly to the penile region, bringing about an erection. Viagra is quick. The clinical preliminaries demonstrated that in certain patients, it works within 14 minutes of admission. Viagra works longer. In some noticed cases, its belongings go on for 4 hours. Viagra has so far been to a great extent demonstrated effective in its working. It has carried grins to a huge number of appearances around the world. The achievement of Viagra has spurred different organizations to create far and away superior medications for the treatment of erectile brokenness. What's more, a portion of these endeavors has just borne natural products, with Cialis and Levitra getting FDA endorsement in 2003 as remedy pills for the treatment of ED.